In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now just hit Passwords at the bottom left corner and tap on Add Password at the top. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, passwords, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!